Today we're cutting through the bullshit and giving you the raw truth about what really turns women on. Forget that politically correct garbage society feeds you. We're diving into the primal stuff that actually works. We're breaking down 4 things that'll make women crave you like nothing else. This isn't for the faint of heart, so if you can't handle the truth, click away now. Trigger number 1, status. Here's the cold, hard reality. For women, attraction isn't a choice. If you're a nobody, you'll be invisible to most women. They might even treat you like dirt. It doesn't matter if she wants to be into you. If her subconscious sees you as a loser, you're screwed. This is why you see rappers go from nothing to having millions of women worship them. The guy could be ugly as sin, broke, and out of shape. Doesn't matter. The status makes him irresistible. Don't get bitter about this. Use it. Understand that the same girl who wouldn't give you the time of day can become sweet and submissive if you level up your status. They can't help it. It's hardwired. You don't need to be famous. Status exists in every social circle. In a boxing gym, women will instantly pick up on who's top dog. They notice how others treat you, and that makes you magnetic. Anyone can climb the social ladder. Use the internet to your advantage. Build a following. Become an expert in something. Status is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Trigger number 2, dominance. Buckle up because this might shock you. Most women are turned on by sexually dominant men. Studies show that the majority of women fantasize about rough, dominant experiences. We can't even discuss most of it on YouTube without getting banned. But it's not just about the bedroom. Women crave dominant men in life too. Most modern guys are total pushovers. They ask their girl's opinion on everything. Can't make a decision to save their lives. Newsflash. Women don't want to make all the decisions. They want a strong man who can lead. If you can't even decide what to eat without a 30-minute discussion, you're failing. Real alpha males, not those fake wannabes, have women chasing them and other men respecting them. It's primal, it's powerful, and it works. Trigger number 3, abundance mindset. Here's where most guys fuck up royally. The scarcity mindset. They act like every woman is their last chance at happiness. Newsflash, nothing dries up a woman faster than neediness. The opposite is the abundance mindset. A man with abundance knows women are replaceable. There are thousands of beautiful women out there. He doesn't put any one girl on a pedestal or chase her like she's special. When a guy with abundance meets a hottie, he doesn't treat her like a goddess. He sees her for what she is, just another person. And women go crazy for this. If you have options, you don't stress about any one woman. You've got plenty of backups. This confidence is intoxicating to women. They want a man other women want. Even if you don't have abundance yet, fake it till you make it. Treat both money and women like they're plentiful, and watch how quickly they start flowing your way. Trigger number 4, unshakable purpose. Your mission in life should always come before women. Always. Let me paint a picture. Imagine a soldier about to ship out. His wife begs him to stay home. If he caves and unpacks his bags, she might be happy for a moment, but deep down, she'll lose all respect for him. Women are biologically wired to respect a man who puts his purpose first. She might complain, but it turns her on like nothing else. If you plan to hit the gym but she wants to watch movies, go to the fucking gym. Your purpose comes first. The problem with modern men is they've lost touch with their core masculinity. They let women dictate their actions. Big mistake. Combine these 4 triggers: status, dominance, abundance, and purpose, and you'll be operating on a level most men can't even imagine. Women will feel it. They'll be drawn to you like moths to a flame. This isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about tapping into your primal masculinity. It's what women crave, even if they won't admit it. If you're ready to stop being invisible to women and start being the man they obsess over, hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more raw truth coming your way. Remember, this knowledge is power. Use it wisely and watch how quickly your dating life transforms. But that's still not enough, is it? There should be more to life than only this. Luckily for you, I have some good news today. What if it were possible to put your dick in any woman you can get your eyes on, without even the slightest chance of getting rejected? It is possible, because what I'm about to tell you is helping thousands of clueless, aging, and even unattractive guys hook up with women who are levels above their pay grade. To learn about that, you will have to watch a video that will teach you a simple, step-by-step system that even the nerdiest guys can use to have women open their legs. With this secret knowledge, the 9s and 10s that used to turn their backs to you before you even said hi end up in your bed. It shows you how to bypass a woman's rejection mechanism and force-feed feelings of attraction, lust, and desire directly into her subconscious mind. Needless to say, this gives you some seriously unfair power over women and pretty much allows you to sleep with whoever you want. But apparently, someone spilled the beans. The video got into the wrong hands, and now some feminist groups on social media have reported the video and got it taken down. They even threatened to take legal action against us. The reason these women are so hell-bent on getting this video banned is because they know they're powerless to stop the techniques it teaches. If you use this seduction method on them, they'd never even know it, and the next thing they know is that they're lying naked on your bed, begging for you to fuck them, and you can use these techniques as early as tonight. It really is that simple. So if you really want that much power in your hands, here's how to get it. All you have to do is click the first link in the description or the comments. Sign up to the newsletter, and we'll email you the entire video tutorial. I'll see you guys there.